Snake Kung Fu, also known as Shiquan, is a style of martial arts that imitates the movements of a snake. It is considered one of the oldest forms of Kung Fu, originating from the Shaolin Temple in China. This martial art form embodies the serpentine characteristics of the snake, focusing on agility, flexibility, and precision. Snake Kung Fu incorporates various techniques that imitate the movements of a snake. Practitioners mimic the fast strikes, fluid footwork, and deceptive attacks of a snake to gain an advantage over their opponents. These techniques include coiling, slithering, striking, and the use of evasion moves similar to a snake's undulating motion. The agile footwork allows practitioners to swiftly move around their opponents and launch quick strikes, often targeting vulnerable areas such as the eyes, throat, or vital organs. The real applications of Snake Kung Fu lie in its adaptability and unpredictability. The style focuses on exploiting an opponent's weaknesses and targeting vital points with precise strikes. By utilizing deceptive movements and swift attacks, practitioners can overcome larger and stronger opponents. Snake Kung Fu also places a strong emphasis on flexibility, making it an ideal martial art for close-quarter combat and self-defense situations. Furthermore, Snake Kung Fu is known for its intricate hand techniques, known as snake hands, which resemble the slithering and striking of a snake. These techniques allow practitioners to effectively block and counter their opponent's attacks, redirecting their force and delivering devastating strikes. In conclusion, Snake Kung Fu is a captivating martial arts style that imitates the movements of a snake. Its techniques focus on agility, flexibility, and precision, providing practitioners with effective self-defense skills. With its adaptability and unpredictable nature, Snake Kung Fu empowers individuals to overcome larger and stronger opponents by using quick strikes and precise targeting. Mastering the Art of Lightning Quick Snake Kung Fu. Step-by-step tutorial. The Art of Lightning Quick Snake Kung Fu is a highly specialized martial art that requires immense dedication, discipline, and focus. This step-by-step tutorial will guide aspiring practitioners through the intricacies of this ancient combat technique. First and foremost, one must understand the foundation of Snake Kung Fu lies in the mimicry of a snake's movements. The practitioner must adopt a low stance, emulating the snake's coiled and poised position ready to strike. The feet should be shoulder-width apart, weight evenly distributed, and knees slightly bent to maintain agility and balance. Next, practitioners must focus on mastering their hand techniques. Snake Kung Fu relies heavily on precision and speed. Slowly flexing the fingers inward, the practitioner imitates the snake's fangs, ready to deliver a venomous strike. A swift flick of the wrist should accompany each punch or strike, ensuring maximum force and efficiency. In addition to hand techniques, footwork plays a crucial role in Snake Kung Fu. Practitioners must develop lightning-quick footwork, swiftly shifting weight from one foot to another, allowing for seamless strikes and evasive maneuvers. Each movement should be executed with precision, grace, and economy of motion. Furthermore, Snake Kung Fu emphasizes the importance of body control and flexibility. Regular stretching exercises help improve agility, allowing practitioners to evade attacks effortlessly and strike with maximum force. Lastly, consistent practice, both in solo training and partner drills, is essential to master this formidable martial art. Practitioners must develop their reflexes, coordination, and timing, which can only be achieved through persistent training and repetition.